Namaskar. Today's class we are going to learn how to make a fish painting in Madhubani art style. So let's start. First we are drawing the border. So we have left some space here, depends on the size of your paper. You leave 1.5, 2 centimeter space here. Then draw a double line. After 1.5 centimeter or 2 centimeter, leave space and then again draw double line. Madhubani border should have double line. So like this, we will draw on all the four sides. After this, take your pencil and mark 1 centimeter on both the sides. We will join this from here and this from here. And like this, we are going to make a diamond design border. In this diamond design border, we will do kachni and we will do bharni. Now inside each diamond, I am going to draw battles. Here we are drawing semicircles. In Madhubani art, everything should have a black outline. So our border design is going like this. So we will draw the outline first. See the movement of brush and the amount of paint taken in the brush is actually very less, and I wipe all the extra paint. When we paint, we have to go up to down. You know why? Because if I'll paint this part first, it will be a problem. See here, we'll come from top to bottom. Everything has to have a black color outline. So in Madhubani, we go this way. First we draw the outline, then we fill the color, bharni, and then again so many times we have to draw the outline again. Because when we are filling the colors, it's sometimes it is covered with the paint. So if you are not comfortable with brush, don't worry. We have very good quality pens available nowadays. Okay, you can use this kind of pens. I have used them and they are waterproof. Why we have to buy waterproof pen? Because when we will apply second paint on the top of first one, if it is not waterproof, then it will create a problem. When you are drawing a single line, please keep your brush straight. When you want to fill the color, please keep your brush in the slanting position. We have to be very, very careful that our brush is not touching, our hand is not touching the other wet part. I am not against poster colors, but poster color, when touched with wet hand or some wet color, they get reactivated. And then there are chances that your whole painting is getting spoiled. That is why I insist on acrylic paints. Okay, so this is our outline ready. Now we have to do detailing. Okay, when we make a painting, we keep a particular color theme. So like in this, these are the colors which we are using. So other colors which we are going to use should be matching to these colors. We can use orange and light blue and dark blue with touch of red. In folk arts, most of the work is done by 0 number or 000. This is lemon yellow. We'll fill the color here, and when it will dry, then we'll draw the kachni. So right now we are doing bharni. You can use any other color. In Madhubani painting, they insist that white paper should be visible. That is the traditional way. Nowadays, everything is contemporary, so we can do some other things. But two things we will remember, that black outline should be there and double line should be there. You can do line work with some other color also, but you have to do outline with black color. Instead of keeping colors in the palette, I have started collecting old homeopathic medicines, all old Fevicryl Camlin bottles, and I dissolve the color and keep it in that. So color will not get dry very fast. Otherwise in the palette, it gets dry very fast. Now this part is dry, so I can turn it. in one tirchi kachni, in one padi kachni. If you don't get 000 brush, like this one which I am using is actually not 000. This is 00 brush. I cut the bristles and left only 4-5 bristles here and made it 000. You can make all fishes colorful, or you can decide your own color theme. You can make the whole painting in black and white also. That will be called Kachni style. Now, in fish design, normally they prefer to draw tail of the fish like leaf petals, the branches or veins in a leaf we make. Okay, now the remaining part, we can leave this double line blank, or we can draw some simple thing here. Now, I want to show you something else. I'm using light blue color to show the water. We'll draw dashes here or waves here to show the water. For this is not realistic painting, it's just the contemporary type. And in Madhubani, they prefer to use all the bright colors. Everywhere, wherever I have shown the water, I would like to show this light blue color. One side Aadi Kachni, one side Tirchi Kachni or Seedhi Kachni. Once these two colors will dry, then we will start giving the kachni with black color. जब ये दो कलर सूख जाएंगे तब हम कचनी काले रंग से देंगे. अभी गीले पे देंगे तो कलर स्मज होने के चांसेस हैं. So we are drawing outline here with black color. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you like the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel. Namaste. Dhanyavad.